going to move on to our spooky spinach dip. This is another real easy recipe. I know we flew through these recipes tonight. They take longer to cook than they do to mix up. You're going to take a pound of the Cheesy Does It or Velveeta. This is a 2-pound pack. Do what?
How much does that cost?
I don't remember. And it is cheaper. It's quite a bit cheaper than Velveeta. But take half of this. You can cube it up. We just kind of divide the slices up because we were looking at, you just kind of want it sliced up for it to melt easier. This is going to be melted. It doesn't have to be in pretty little things because it is being melted. We're going to take that, a can of diced tomatoes. I use diced tomatoes with sweet onions. You can use whatever you like. Don't drain them. Just pour them in on top of the cheese. And we're going to cook this 2 minutes and stir it, cook it 2 more till it's melted. And then we'll go from there. All right. Does anybody have any questions so far? Nope. All right. Well, this is a pretty self-explanatory class tonight. I do know when you make fudge, how many of y'all remember us making the Velveeta fudge with the Cheesy Does It? We've made fudge out of this before. If you've not had it, you need to try it. We may do that recipe again for Christmas. Most of y'all are looking at me like, what in the world's wrong with you? It makes about 5 to 7 pounds of fudge easily. Actually, I think it makes more than that. It makes tons and tons and tons of fudge. This is what your binder is. You use confectionery sugar and cocoa and whatnot. Super easy fudge. But I do know some of the different brands besides Velveeta. This does pretty good. They have a little bit more trouble setting up. Some of the other brands, other store brands and stuff I've used before, and they don't set up quite as well. But we may make that for Christmas because a lot of y'all probably have not tried that. But we've made it before. It tastes more like cocoa, chocolate fudge. It doesn't taste like cheese at all. Yeah. Have you tried it before? And if you don't you have to really use the name brand in it. And I've used this one. It does pretty good, but like I said, it's just, I guess it's something in the consistency of it. But it's really good. But store manager, he's kind of a picky eater. Mark absolutely loved this fudge. I didn't tell him what was in it till after he'd done ate it. But or he probably wouldn't have ate it. But we may make that when we do our candy or fudge. We didn't get to do a lot of candy last year because the weather was so bad and it rained for months on end. And we were going to do candy, and by the time it quit raining, it was summer, so nobody wanted to make candy no more. All right, let me stir this up. We're not quite there yet with this. It'll be just probably another 2 minutes. All right. Well, I'm going to show you what the end product is. I've made quite a bit. We've taken a bread bowl and just hollowed it out. One of them looks cheesier than the other. This is our spinach dip. It's good to serve it warm. We've hollowed out some Indian bread. You can use whatever kind of bread you like. You can serve it with bread. We're going to serve it with some more French bread and some chips. This is a real good party item. It's easy to make. All you're doing is warming in the microwave. I've already cooked my spinach. We're going to add spinach and crushed red pepper. You cook and drain your spinach ahead of time or thaw it. By the time you thaw spinach, you all already know it's just a little frozen box of spinach. It's already cooked through by the time you get it thawed. All right, I think we're about ready to put that spinach in there. It's not quite that hot yet. But this is just a different take on a spinach dip. You all know that I like spinach dips, and we've tried a lot of them, haven't we, Nancy? A lot of different kinds of spinach. Do what? All right, we're going to stir this spinach in, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. This is really pretty and bright. And we're going to cook that just another couple of minutes till that's heated through. All right.